Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your CapCut language to English. So for instance, it's in a different language. To change the app language, go to menu and you are going to go to the settings tab. So it's the first one underneath the other ones that have arrows, sorry. So like the sixth one. What's wrong with my pronunciation today? Sorry. Then you're going to go to language, which is the fourth tab, so select that. Then select the language you want to apply to your CapCut app. Select save and then select restart, and it's going to restart the app. Don't worry about your files, it's going to be saved. Now it's going to be in a different language. If you're on the home page, it's here, and then the first one on top, and then it's the fourth one, and then select the language, and then select the blue button. Select the blue button again, and that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.